15th marks the start of SPAR International 2012, widely recognized as the premier event for all things 3D. The event is hosted by SPAR Point Group. Joining me today is Sam Pfeifle, editor of SPAR Point Group. Sam, one of the things I always appreciate about SPAR International is that it brings together big thinkers with a lot of great ideas for how to apply 3D technology. But there's a difference between what's possible and what's practical with 3D, especially when you look at it from a business perspective. What's your take on that?
Well, it's something that we really think hard about because we have a lot of different audiences at SPAR, obviously. Not only do we have all kinds of verticals, we've got people working in construction, people working in forensics, people working in entertainment and gaming, but we also have both sort of service providers and providers of the technology and end users who are applying the technology. And so everybody has a sort of different interest. Some people are looking for, what's brand new and something they can use to get ahead of the competition. And then some people are just looking for something that can help them increase their margins. And so, we've really tried to focus this year on making sure that this isn't all just, blue sky, pie in the sky technology, that it's actually something people can use to make money and improve their business. And I know that your constituency or the surveyors out there, and a lot of them, when they first got into laser scanning, there was a lot of talk about how do I market my scanner, and how do we make sure that people understand that we have scanning services, and how do we price the scanning services. And I think a lot of people are starting to realize that the scanner is just, it's another tool. It's not that much different than the GPS. You just use it where it's appropriate, and you don't use it where it's not appropriate. And a lot of guys actually have gone to the point where they don't even mention they have a laser scanner, because then the client is asking them to scan something that really doesn't need to be scanned, and that makes a whole lot more work for themselves.
I know for a lot of people who've been using laser scanning for a while, they're looking to get past all the hype and the sell of 3D and actually get into high-level technical discussions about how to apply the technology on a daily basis. Will people be able to find much of that at SPAR International 2012?
Well, one of the cool things we do have, all the major sponsors have technical sessions, which are only for their users. And, in those they get really highly technical. Like if you want to learn everything there is to know about operating a Faro scanner or a Leica scanner or a Regal scanner, they take you on a super deep dive in those technical sessions. And for the first time, those technical sessions are on the show floor this year. So you don't have to go upstairs to a different room to get them, and it'll be a lot more open to just the general attendee, because we also have for the first time this year floor-only passes. So if you want to just come and check out the trade show portion, we got like 77 exhibitors, you can just do that, and you can still get the technical sessions.
Thank you, Sam. I know I'm looking forward to it. You can find more information about SPAR International 2012 at GeoDataPoint.com.